Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And when you pull up here, they're going to get you a pie, okay?
We are at Western Fairfax Christian Ministries in the parking lot at their building today, and we are going to be handing out food to about 500 families. It's really important for us to do this, especially this time of year. The kids are going to be out of school, and we want to provide families with food that they'll be able to have for their families.
We have been really fortunate to partner with our Sully District office here and with Fairfax County government. And so we really wanted to make sure that during these periods when school is closed and those kids aren't able to get the free breakfast and the free lunch, they're getting that food supplementally through these events. So we're really trying to make sure that it's not just a holiday meal, but that during the full 2-week school break, the kids are getting the meals that they need. It is entirely provided by the community, who really just feel it's important to make sure that these families have not only the care and compassion of a holiday meal, but also the school's out food.
People can call Western Fairfax Christian Ministries directly to get help. They can also call the CSP line from the county, and they can be directed here. And so there's just many ways for people to meet the needs here. And I think it's also good we have so many volunteers that are aware of this program and that can help share the word about the services here.